Hello, this is a short video presentation on one of our special cases in factoring, the difference of squares. But before we start, I want to ask you to multiply something. Multiply x plus 2 times x minus 2. Notice the only difference here is the plus and the minus. We have x and x, 2 and 2, one's positive, one's negative. What happens? Well, let's see. X times x, x squared. X times negative 2, minus 2x. 2 times x, plus 2x. And 2 times negative 2 is minus 4. And we get x squared minus 4 because this and this cancel. This is called the difference of perfect squares. Difference of perfect squares. Why do we call it this? Well, subtraction means the difference. X squared is a perfect square, x times x. 4 is a perfect square, 2 times 2. Notice x squared is gotten by x and x. 4 is gotten by the square root, 2 and 2. So if I ask you to factor, we just reverse the process. Factor x squared minus 16. Perfect square, subtraction. Dun, 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 dun. What times what is x squared? X and x. What times what is 16? 4 and 4. Plus and minus. And again, if we were to do the double smiley face, negative 4x, positive 4x, cancel, and notice there is no middle term. Now, I did the first two with x squared, but it also works with 4x squared minus 25. If I ask you to factor that, these are all factors. 4x squared is a perfect square. What times what is 4? 2 and 2, so we have 2x, 2x. 25 is a perfect square. 5 and 5. We have a plus and we have a minus. And again, if you do the double smiley face, negative 10x, positive 10x, cancel, and notice we have no middle term here. All right. That's it. I guess the only other thing to say is you cannot factor the sum of squares. This only works when we're talking about the difference, subtraction. Okay? If it's a difference, very easy to factor. All right. Hope that makes a little bit of sense. We'll start mixing those in with our problems. Just remember, difference of perfect squares. Tomorrow we're going to add sum and difference of cubes, perfect cubes. And then we have one more type of factoring, a little more practice, and we'll be done with factoring. Done learning how, not done using it. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.